Hi dear students, how are you? Welcome to our channel Mr. Chemistry, and now we are going to discuss chemical double displacement reactions. Chemical double displacement reactions. What is meant by chemical double displacement reactions? Chemical double displacement reactions. In previous class we discussed single displacement reactions. Now it is a double displacement reaction. See here, chemical double displacement reactions or chemical double decomposition reactions, both are same. Don't get confusion with this one. See here, it is a chemical reaction in which the reactant splits into respective ions and mutual exchange of ions takes place. Okay, once again check it. Chemical double displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which the reactants splits into their respective ions and mutual exchange of ions takes place in these reactions. And these are of two types: precipitate reactions and neutralization reactions. These are two types. First one is precipitate reactions. Precipitate reactions. What is meant by precipitate? Precipitate is insoluble solid residue. Insoluble solid residue is called precipitate. Precipitate reaction in the sense here an insoluble precipitate is formed in these reactions. And the second type one is neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction is a chemical reaction in which acid reacts with base to give salt and water. Precipitate reaction, neutralization reaction. Okay, first we will take precipitate reaction. Let us take one example: lead nitrate PbNO3 twice reacts with potassium iodide. And in our previous class we already learned reactivity series. Okay, just keep that one in your mind, it will be useful to write the products here. And what are the ions here? Pb plus 2, NO3 minus 1, NO3 minus 1. Here potassium K plus, iodine I minus 1. You can write minus 1 plus 1 or no problem, even though if it is plus and minus. If nothing is there, just keep that one in mind, it is 1. See here, according to chemical double displacement reaction, the reactants first split into their respective ions and mutual exchange takes place. Mutual exchange in the sense, this positive cation joins with negative anion of another reactant, and positive cation of another reactant joins with negative anion of first reactant. See here, Pb plus 2 I minus. What is the product here? We will get Pb plus 2 I minus. We will get PbI2. And K plus and NO3 minus, we will get KNO3. This is the way to write products in double displacement reaction. See here, in precipitate reaction, insoluble precipitate is formed. Here two salts are there, KNO3 and lead iodide, which is precipitate. Just keep that one in your mind. Reactivity series, which is more reactive? Potassium is more reactive, lead is less reactive. Less reactive metal salts forms insoluble precipitates. How to find which is precipitate? Less reactive one is precipitate here. Lead is less reactive than potassium, hence lead iodide is precipitate. Please note down. Next I will give one more example. Sodium sulfate and barium chloride. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus barium chloride BaCl2. See here, sodium Na plus, sulfate SO4 minus 2, here barium Ba plus 2, chlorine Cl minus, chloride ion is Cl minus. Then what will happen? Splitting of ions. Okay, next mutual exchange, this positive joins with this negative and this positive joins with this negative. As a result, we will get Na plus Cl minus NaCl plus Ba plus 2 SO4 minus 2, we will get BaSO4. Out of sodium and barium, which is more reactive? Sodium is more reactive. Hence, precipitate is barium sulfate. Please note down these things. Precipitate reaction is a chemical double displacement reaction in which the reactant splits into respective ions, mutual exchange of ions takes place, and less reactive metal salt forms precipitate, insoluble solid residue. Okay, please note down this one. Next one is neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction is a chemical double displacement reaction in which acid reacts with base to give salt and water. It gives salt and water. Here also mutual exchange of ions takes place. For example, you take hydrochloric acid HCl and sodium hydroxide NaOH. What are the ions present here? H plus, Cl minus, Na plus, OH minus. Then what will happen? Mutual exchange of ions takes place. This cation joins with anion of another element, another reactant, and cation of another reactant, base with anion of acid. Mutual exchange of ions takes place. Observe here, H plus and OH minus, Na plus, Cl minus, mutual exchange. And tell me what is the product here? The product is Na plus Cl minus, it forms NaCl, H plus and OH minus gives H2O. Okay, salt and water. Water is common and salt depends on acid and base. Please note down. Here I am taking sulfuric acid. If it is sulfuric acid H2SO4, then what are the ions? H plus, SO4 minus 2. See here, mutual exchange takes place, H plus, OH minus, and Na plus, SO4 minus 2. As a result, we will get sodium sulfate. Sodium plus sulfate, sodium sulfate, Na2, SO4. Here there is no precipitates. Whatever the salts formed during neutralization reaction, they are readily soluble in water and they are always available in aqueous state. Please note down. And next one, you take potassium hydroxide and nitric acid. What is the formula of nitric acid? HNO3 plus potassium hydroxide KOH, H plus, NO3 minus, K plus, OH minus. Mutual exchange takes place and H plus OH minus joins, K plus NO3 minus joins. As a result, we will get KNO3, potassium nitrate plus water. Please note down. And one more example. Ammonium hydroxide, take ammonium hydroxide. See here, hydrochloric acid reacts with ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. What are the ions? H plus, Cl minus, NH4 plus, OH minus. Mutual exchange takes place. As a result, we will get NH4Cl ammonium chloride plus water. And take one more example. Take one weak acid, acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid. Ethanoic acid is its IUPAC name and acetic acid is common name. If you treat with sodium hydroxide, what are the ions present here? Acetate ion CH3COO minus and H plus. Here Na plus and OH minus. Mutual exchange takes place. As a result, we will get CH3COONA plus water. What is CH3COONA here? Sodium acetate. These are different examples and we will discuss a few more examples in next lesson, acids, bases and salts. Okay. And once again check it, chemical double displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which the reactant splits into their respective ions and mutual exchange of ions takes place to give new products. These are of two types, precipitate reaction and neutralization reaction. Precipitate reaction is a chemical double displacement reaction in which the less reactive or you can say low reactive metal forms a precipitate which is insoluble solid residue. And next one is neutralization reaction. It is a double displacement reaction in which acid reacts with base to give salt and water. And we discussed different examples. And see here, whatever the salts formed during neutralization reaction, they are readily soluble in water and available in aqueous state. And in next class, we will discuss redox reactions, which is important area. Okay. Until then, please revise all these things. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Mr. Chemistry, like it, share it. Thank you all of you.